Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bilkesh and I wish you a very good day. वैसे I haven't been doing well lately and periods भी हो रहा था and this is the day right after. So only girls can understand periods ख़त्म होने के बाद next day वाली excitement. So it's that and I just realized seeing my arms that I have to get waxing done and it's almost 12:30, so I'm going to make myself an early lunch or a late breakfast, whatever you call it. So I'm going to make myself some paneer egg salad क्योंकि मुझे बाहर से नहीं ऑर्डर करना है. This last week I have been simply ordering from outside and yeah, I'm sometimes ordering healthy stuff, sometimes I'm ordering junk and my entire system is not responding well. So I thought of not ordering from outside and make something at home. Plus मुझे बहुत lazy भी feel हो रहा था like to whip up an entire good meal जैसे कि दाल राइस and some curries और भाजी alongside. So मैंने सोचा कि simply एक salad ही बना लेती हूँ. And recently I have been eating paneer or tofu a lot. And my entire childhood I have never had paneer. मतलब कभी भी नहीं. जब मैं हॉस्टल में भी थी तब भी जब पनीर देते थे there were people who used to sit by my side just to have that extra cubes of paneer in their plate. So it's that situation. Plus मम्मी भी इतना कोशिश की है like throughout my childhood to feed me paneer and even my friends used to get surprised when I always told them like I do not like paneer and all that because मुझे ना कैसा spongy जैसा टेस्ट आ रहा था. आई नेवर टेस्टेड मिल्क और ऐसा कुछ तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता था टेस्ट एक्चुअली. एंड आई लाइक टोफू बेटर देन पनीर बिकॉज टोफू में ना पनीर में जैसे कि थोड़ा सा भी अगर मिल्की टेस्ट आता भी है लाइक धीरे धीरे आई स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट पनीर टेस्ट लाइक. आई गेट द टेस्ट नाउ सो आई कैन कंपेयर इट विथ टोफू बेटर बिकॉज टोफू में मेरे को क्या है इट टेस्ट नथिंग. इट्स लाइक ब्लैंक. So whatever spices you put in the tofu, it tastes that way only. But पनीर का क्या है कुछ भी स्पाइस डालो उसमें ना थोड़ा सा मिल्की टेस्ट भी आ जाता है तो मुझे इसलिए पसंद नहीं होता था. So but then I started liking it because मैं पोहा जब बनाती हूँ उसमें भी थोड़ा बहुत पनीर डाल देती हूँ whenever my friends come in and they love my poha so much. So one day I also tried like इसमें क्या है ऐसा पनीर डाल के कैसा टेस्ट हो जाता है पोहा में. So I tried and it really tasted good. Like paneer in poha tasted really good. So from that day I started having paneer थोड़ा बहुत like not on everyday basis like 2 week में 1-2 बार मैं खा लेती हूँ like that. Although surprisingly it's not hurting my stomach. Usually milk का कोई भी products hurts my stomach. But ये तो अजीब surprising है. So I'm having paneer recently. And to make this salad it's pretty easy. Like whatever veggies you have that is supposed to be eaten raw like cucumber, tomatoes, I have added jalapenos and I have added paneer and for the spice I have added this piri piri masala and our favorite furikake seasoning. From the day I have started eating my eggs with this seasoning I cannot go without it whenever there's an egg on my plate unless it's a curry. So I mix this all together and it's pretty simple and easy salad to make. और मैं साइड में एग्स डालती हूँ और मुझे मिक्स करना पसंद नहीं है इसमें तो ना बहुत एगी सा टेस्ट हो जाता है लाइक विद पनीर एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई लाइक एन्जॉइंग दिस सैलड ऑन द साइड एंड एग्स सेपरेटली. वैसे मैंने सैलड में फुरिका की सीजनिंग डाल दी इसलिए मैं एग्स में चिली ऑयल डालूंगी जस्ट फॉर दैट एक्स्ट्रा स्पाइसी. सो गुड यू गाइज यू हैव टू ट्राई दिस. जब भी आपको लेजी लगे यू डोंट फील लाइक कुकिंग बट यू ऑल्सो वांट टू ईट हेल्दी बिकॉज यू आर अ फिटनेस फ्रीक. और मैं फ्रीक नहीं हूँ फिटनेस फ्रीक. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू बी एज हेल्दी एज पॉसिबल, ईट good food and keep my system good, happy, healthy. So that's that. So yep, this tastes so good, so good. You gotta have to try. So while I'm enjoying this bowl of salad I'm also checking all the mails and messages. Currently I'm working on my brand course with my father and my partner. वैसे we are trying our best to get this brand to a level where the more customers can reach us online. So you can follow us on Instagram. I'll link the page below in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram. There's one more thing, that is मेरे फ्लैट में there's another room as well, like this is a 2 BHK room, right? तो इसमें ये जो रूम है ये मेरा सीक्रेट है. ऑल द थिंग्स आर बीइंग डम्प्ड हियर. मिली का सामान, ये सामान, वो सामान. So I'm really craving for something sweet. I've already shared the recipe on Instagram, but then I'm making it again so I can show it here. Okay, not a problem. And what I'm making is it's mango sago pudding. जो साबूदाना होता है वो बॉईल करके मैंगो के साथ, मैंगो प्यूरे के साथ. So I'll show you how it's to be made, and this tastes so refreshing and so good. वैसे sabu is something which is very much refined, so we cannot call it healthy as such, but it's always better than ordering a dessert from outside that you do not have any control over. But here you do have, because kitna sabu use karna hai, if you are going to add sugar, how much sugar you are going to put, like you have that control, right? So it's always better to make something at home rather than ordering. So first we gotta boil some sabu, and जब तक ये translucent and soft नहीं होता, we are going to boil it and keep it aside. And उसको थोड़ा सा drain कर लो with cold water just to stop the cooking process. Now we are going to peel some ripe mangoes to make a nice puree, जैसे pudding like texture आने के लिए. So I'm going to add 2 ripe mangoes. We're going to put these chopped mangoes into a blender along with some coconut milk that I have prepared at home. It's very easy to make. Like I always keep saying, it's always better to make something that's really easy to be made at home rather than ordering a package of milk from outside. And वैसे मुझे गाय का दूध पसंद नहीं है, and I really like coconut milk, almond milk, all of that. Fancy, I know, but then I like it because my little stomach can't tolerate milk. So that's that. वैसे उसका प्यूरे बनाने के लिए मैंने थोड़ा सा मैंगो के साथ वो कोकोनट मिल्क और जैगरी यूज़ किया, and I have blended it really well. Now it's time to assemble. It's that simple. I got 2 cups and 1 bowl. साबू अच्छे से 2 स्पून्स डालो हर एक वेसल्स में. वैसे मैंने कांच का लिया बिकॉज इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. प्रेजेंट करने के टाइम बहुत सुंदर दिखता है, इसलिए. आई डू हैव गेस्ट्स कमिंग ओवर, सो आई एम गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर अ बैच एंड कीप इट. और ये बोल वाला तो मैं खा ही लूँगी एनीवे. So after putting 2 spoonful of sabudana in each of the bowls and cups, it's time to put the puree. This is so smooth and so soft. It tastes exactly like creamy, like mousse thing. तो अच्छा लगता है. This mango puree, like I said, has got just 2 whole mango along with jaggery for that extra sweetness and some coconut milk. कोकोनट मिल्क डज दी जॉब. मतलब आई डोंट थिंक नॉर्मल मिल्क में वो टेस्ट आएगा जो कोकोनट मिल्क में आता है. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई एंड ऐड कोकोनट मिल्क, एंड हो सके तो थोड़ा केसर भी ऐड कर देना. मेरे पास नहीं था तो मैंने ऐड नहीं किया. नाउ टू दिस कप्स एंड बोल आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड सम एक्स्ट्रा चॉप्ड मैंगोज, बिकॉज व्हाई नॉट. And they go really well as a topping. You can also add some like mixed seeds for that extra health punch, whatever वो डाल सकते हो. and मैंने उसमें थोड़ा सा ना कंडेंस मिल्क डाला है बिकॉज मुझे लग रहा था लाइक अच्छा लगेगा फॉर द गेस्ट्स. सो मैंने डाल दिया और मेरे में भी डाल दिया. So I'm going to have it, and I'm also going to add this ice cubes in this bowl because ये मुझे अभी खाना है. So I want to have it cold. and after adding this ice cubes क्या होता है, वो साबूदाना जो होता है ना वो चिपकता नहीं है एक दूसरे के साथ, वो सेपरेटेड रहता है. and it tastes so good like chewy, जैसे बोबा ड्रिंक में होता है, it tastes थोड़ा बहुत like that. and I'm going to put these 2 cups inside the fridge ताकि वो ठंडा रहे. and I'm enjoying my bowl of sago mango pudding while I'm watching Alana and Ivor's vlog. It's a desert break for me, and I'm going to enjoy this pudding. And this tastes incredible. Like, you have to try this.
Crying? Yeah, it's the magic swirler. Your mom knows.
It's so chewy. Gotta try it. After all that cooking shooking, वैसे cook क्या किया मैंने? I just made a dessert and I spilled the mousse all over my kitchen, so I had to wash everything on the side. And कभी कभी जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, ये जो क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको, this cloth, kitchen cloth, they have been a little dirty, so I thought of cleaning it also. Clean your kitchen cloth. It's almost 5:30, so it's time for a little coffee break. I'm going to mix myself a cup of black coffee, and I'm going to have some nuts on the side, 4-5 kaju badam on the side. And yeah, that's gonna be my coffee break, and I'm going to go back to my work after this. This vlog is getting a little too unfiltered. Like, let's be honest, we all sit like this at home, ऐसे पैर अच्छे से फैला के एकदम comfortably बैठ के घर से जो भी काम करते हैं, they can relate to it. We are all so messy, nobody is looking, who's watching, nobody. ऐसे बाल बिखरा हुआ, nothing, and sitting like this and working. Like, this is a privilege, and I'm really blessed to have this, like sitting at home and working comfortably. Although I sometimes miss working from office as well. Like, I did have like good colleagues when I used to work 9 to 5. To this little DIY project, I don't like this top much because of this hooks here, so I'm thinking of adding this black and white bows to the top. I'm going to DIY this, and I'm going to make it ready so that I can wear it whenever I want later and wear it comfortably. I'm just going to make tiny little black and white bows, and I'm going to stitch it directly on the garment wherever it's required. And the garment is almost ready. So let me know what you guys think, whether you like the top before or after adding the bows. I kind of like it. Yep. The day seems pretty long. It's almost 6 and it's very cloudy, and it's coffee time. I have a visitor, and we took Millie upstairs ताकि वो थोड़ा सा खेल पाए and उसको भी मज़ा आए. Like, oh my god, this is going to be Millie's first rain with us, and I'm really not sure how she's going to react to all the thunderstorms and rain, but I hope she does pretty good. वैसे it's almost 7:30 and I'm going to make some tea, ginger tea for us. मुझे नहीं पता मैं कितना कॉफ़ी और टी पी चुकी हूँ आज पूरे दिन. So I'm going to make this ginger tea, and it's raining heavily. On the side, I'm also going to make dim pav roti or bread and egg toast. Like, usually on rainy days, mom always used to make bread pakoras or some kind of pakoras and all of that. I just had some bread and eggs, and I do not have so much of will to make pakoras and all of that, so I'm just simply going to make dim pav roti, and mustard oil is a must for this, otherwise वो taste नहीं आएगा, खुद से दही गिर गया. So I'm going to let the oil heat up first, and to that I'm going to add the egg mixture, like half of it, and don't completely cook it. इसको 50% cook करो, and to that I'm going to add the bread slices, ताकि वो जो एग मिक्सचर का है वो थोड़ा सा कोट हो जाए ब्रेड में, एंड वो टेस्ट भी अच्छा करता है. लाइक, इट गेट्स क्रिस्पी बोथ साइड्स एंड टेस्ट रियली गुड. वैसे one batch is ready, and I'm getting the other batch also ready, and it's ready. Time to get my ginger tea ready. वैसे मैंने पैन में पहले ही जिंजर डाल के रख दी थी. I have set it to boil now, and that's the weather. The plan is pretty simple, that is to enjoy a little snack time with Aipil and enjoy the weather.